If it's Monday, it's time for another networking tip. And today's tip is get around some old friends. You know, life gets busy, we do a lot of things, we drift apart from some key people in our life. But when you get a chance to go and visit an old friend, whether it's for a cup of coffee, a beer, or whether you fly across the country and get to spend time with them and share old stories and have some fun, it's gonna rejuvenate you to get out there, do more in your career. They're gonna lift you up, especially if it's a friend who is really supportive and really happy and proud of you. So I'm filming this not in my normal place. If you watch these videos every week, you know you're not usually in a park in Studio City, California. But no, for my birthday, my wife and I went out and spent time with one of my best friends from kindergarten and his wife, and we had a great time exploring Los Angeles, and we talked about old times, we talked about the new things that I'm doing in my career. They were really supportive, and now as I get on the plane today and fly home, I'm fired up. So if you feel like you're in a networking rut, you're not meeting new people, you don't know what to say, rejuvenate some old relationships. Get out there, reach back out to people. They're most likely gonna be glad to hear from you, and you're gonna walk away from that interaction fired up. So go, reach back into your past. Maybe it's people you've kept in touch with, maybe it's people you've drifted away from, but reach out to them and connect, and that will fire you up. I wish you well, and check out every video that we do every single week with a new networking tip. And do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot.